Hello everybody. We are here today at Timms Hill in central Wisconsin, which happens to be the high point of Wisconsin. It is a very short half a mile hike. I think it was 0.6 miles up to the top, and there's an observation tower at the top. And I just started. So let's go check out this tower. And here we are, the highest point in Wisconsin. I guess besides that tower. 1,951 feet. I'm out of breath. That's a lot of stairs. Beautiful. I'm glad it's not very windy. Beautiful. All right. People leaving locks on here. Long way down. All right. Well, let's head back down and sign the registry, shall we? Here we go. Down at the bottom of the stairs. Timms Hill Registry. Let's check it out, shall we? Alright. Got a big fat notebook, a couple of crumpled papers that I don't think I'm going to mess with. Alright, I'm going to sit down for a few moments and sign this registry. Alright, well that was a quick, short hike. It was straight uphill, straight downhill. But yeah, that was great. High point number 1. We'll probably couple this up with the Michigan high point, which I will hit up later this week. And put those in the same video, because it's kind of a short one. Signing out.